A team of Thawal Police Station and volunteers of anti-COVID-19 Thawal District Lamting jointly launched a mask drive at Thawal Market today. During the drive, face masks were distributed to commuters, passengers and drivers of public transport vehicles. People moving without face masks were also fined. The police also sensitized the masses on how to prevent the deadly COVID-19 virus. A book based on former Manipuri Chief Minister Rajkumar Dorendra Singh, written by Mahesana Rajkumar and Laishram Memo, entitled The Political Monument Footfalls of Manipuri History, was released today in a function held at the residence of R.K. Dorendra Singh located at Moirangkhong, Saugaijam Laikai in Imphal. The book is published by Eastern EBH Publisher, India Eastern Book House. Laihau Khunaikan Valuptin LKKL launched its website today at the office of Apunba Iraipaki Mahiroi Singpang Loop in Kwak Ital. At the event, a souvenir titled Loktak Project Ki Tongjaba Amadi Mangjaba with the song Loktak was released. Sangha Express editor and Editors Guild Manipur President Khogendra Khomdram were present at the event. Dalit Sena Manipur State President Nongmai Them Sanjay Singh started repair work of Yangbi Road under Maichakpi of Elang Khangpokpi Awang Salam in Hyanglam constituency. Nongmai Them Sanjay said it is necessary to work for the farmers and development without them is not possible. An 18-member team of Social, Culture, Education and Sports Development Organization SCASDO Hairok Bazar in Thawal District has embarked on a trek to Meitei Shrine located at Mount Kobru today. A correspondent reports that the team will plant trees on Mount Kobru. SCASDO President KH Sarad and nominee of former Hairok Nagar Panchayat Ward No. 7 Councillor KH Prafulo flag off the team from Hairok Bazar. India New Delhi cases of the coronavirus disease COVID-19 crosses 3 lakh for the 4th straight day as the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare said this morning that 3,49,691 fresh infections were detected across the country in the last 24 hours, taking the infection tally to 1,69,60,172. This was yet another day when India's COVID-19 tally rose by the record cases, as well as another day of the highest single-day rise in infections globally since the beginning of the pandemic.